So here I am just clipping up my sections and I realized I have no clips. Why do I never have clips? Alright, let me go get some clips.
I am worth more than they thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put his spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way B, you will find liberty and have peace. Every day I wait, gotta get things, gotta pray. Whatever my hands find to do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the pain. Bible in my face, I don't wanna fall from his grace.
What's up, love, subby bunch O's and subby OGs? It's your girl NayNay back here with another video, whatever, ooh. And in today's video, I will be showing you what I do in between wash weeks. So wash day is next week, but I need to do a little damage control because you probably looking like, oh, NayNay, what's going on with your hair, girl? Yeah, I had to kind of throw this together, but I'll be showing you what I do in between wash weeks for my hair routine. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell down below, either this way or this way, one of these two ways. Oh, where are my manners? If you are new, welcome. If you are back, welcome back, yo. So we are going to get started with this. So let's get into it, y'all. Alright, guys, so I just had my hair up in this style because I had to go to the doctor and I didn't have time to do what I want to do to my hair. So yeah, so this is what we are working with right here. And if you all didn't see my last video about detangling the ends of your hair, then check that video. I will link in the cards above or in the description box below, or both. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is cleaning my scalp. Now, if you are a subby OG, and if you're not, you should be one, okay? So, if you're not a subby OG, then you don't know about this product. But if you are a subby OG and you watch my How to Clean Box Braids video, which I will link up in the card above, one of these two ways, and in the description box below, then you know about this product, the Natural Hair Restoration Elixir. And I'm going to be using this to clean my scalp. And then I am going to be deep conditioning my hair with the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. And then I'm going to moisturize my hair, and then I will style my hair. That style will be a separate video. So let's get into it. So as I mentioned in the previous clip, I will be using the hair elixir to do my hair, at least clean my scalp for this part of the video, simply because I don't co-wash. If you want a separate video on why I don't co-wash, let me know. But I do not co-wash my hair, so yeah. So if you watched my How to Clean Box Braids video, that video was very, very detailed and helpful, and I will make sure that card is up. But just to kind of recap on what I'm doing, I am sectioning off my hair because it just makes it easier, and I spray the elixir on my scalp, and I'm just using a towel. You can use a t-shirt if you like, just to clean your scalp. In my How to Clean Box Braids video, I kind of get into how I spray it and which direction I spray it. I mean, it kind of doesn't matter. You gotta do what's best for you, but the videos are just a lot more detailed. So
yeah, so that's all I'm doing in this part. It's just cleaning my scalp. Nothing too special. So yeah. So just enjoy the rest of this until we get to the next clip. Sectioning off my hair once again because once I got done with cleansing my scalp, I just had to take out the clip so I could really make sure I get into my scalp very well. So that's all I'm doing here. It's just sectioning off my hair in 4 sections, and I think I said this in a previous video, but you don't really have to do 4 sections. It's whatever you please, it's whatever you choose, because 4 sections work for me, but that doesn't mean it's going to work for everybody. You can do as many as you want, as little as you want. It all depends on your hair and what your hair likes or what you feel is best for your hair. I struggle with 4 sections sometimes because my hair is so thick, but it's been working out, and I will try doing like 6 sections because I feel like when you work in smaller sections, the better for the most part. But like I said, it's up to you and your hair and whatnot. So just make sure that you are sectioning off your hair, because at least for me, it makes it easier to work with. But like again, sis, you gotta do what you gotta do. You feel me? I ain't gonna stop you. I ain't gonna stop you growing your flow, whatever. So you know, do you, sis? Do you, boo? Or whoever take my advice, do you? Okay. But here I am just clipping up my sections, and I realize I have no clips. Why do I never have clips? Alright, let me go get some clips. Like I said, I never know why I do not have enough clips. Like, that is beyond me, boy. But now this is a little different because normally when I deep condition my hair, like it's during my wash day or something, and my hair is already wet. But in this case, I had to do something I never did before. So what I did was I took a spray bottle and filled it with hot water, warm to hot water, whatever you choose. Especially for low porosity hair like myself, you have to have that warm to hot water. So I just did that, and then I just started applying my deep conditioner. Now make sure your hair is soaking wet, to be honest, because that's how that moisture from the deep conditioner will absorb in your hair. Especially, like I said, especially if you are a low porosity girl, you already know the struggle of how it is to get that moisture to stay in your hair, because you know it's hard for moisture to penetrate the hair, but once it's in, it ain't going nowhere, honey. So yeah. So once I do that, it's kind of like what I already do in my wash day routine, I take the deep conditioner, I apply it, and then I apply it like a perm in smaller sections, and then I detangle it with my detangling comb, and I twist it up in sections. But just when you're doing this, if you don't do it in the shower like myself, like I know a lot of people do their hair in the shower, but if you are like me and you do not like doing your hair in the shower for various reasons, please make sure that you have a towel down wherever you're doing your hair, because I had to have a towel right there. No jokes aside, because I was not about to have my carpet like soaking wet just to have my hair done. So yeah, but if you do it, then please make sure you have that. Also, when applying your product, make sure you really work it in. Like, you really have to work in that product in your hair to make sure that it's penetrating your hair. For high porosity girls, I mean, you probably won't have to do as much work, but if you're a low porosity girl or whoever, you know, like I said, whoever is taking my advice, like myself, then you have to really make sure you work in your product. Like, you have to take the time to do it, and then make sure you're taking your time, and make sure you are being careful when you detangle your hair, because if you do not, you will experience breakage a lot more than you would normally expect, or shedding or whatever. Just please be careful, and please make sure that you are definitely doing that, and make sure like your sections are somewhat neat and that hair isn't coming from different directions, because that's how I pulled out a few strands of my hair a few times and I was definitely not happy. So yes, girl, do that. But besides that, I mean, this process is pretty easy, like, to be honest. Like, it's just deep conditioning, just outside the shower. Like, that's all you need. Like, you don't have to get in the shower. If you do not get in the shower like myself, you do not, and I repeat, you do not have to get in the shower, hunty. So yes, it's just a little messier, but you know, it was worth it. You know, got a nice deep conditioning. So yeah, just working your 4 sections, twist it up, and then you will apply your heat, or if you just want to apply your cap, just do that, and really make sure you work in that conditioner and really detangle, because once your hair is detangled thoroughly, your style will be easy. Whatever you do, no matter what style, it will be easy, trust and believe. So yes, deep condition, hunty, deep condition. Ew, yeah.
Hey guys, I'm back. So I just rinsed out all the deep conditioner in my hair. I sat with my hot head probably for about maybe an hour, maybe something like that, or close to an hour. So after I rinse out my deep conditioner, I'm going to be moisturizing some of my hair. I have a video already on that, so I will link that up in the cards somewhere and in the description box down below, down there. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you all subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you know about every single time I upload a video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, please let me know. Please thumbs up this video. Please share this video with somebody, you know, you feel me? And let's see if we can get to 10 to 20 likes. So smash that like button. So thank you all, and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.
Lean, drop a big popper, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect time, and recommend they work low.